Yes, man.
Sometimes when you see certain things happen on Earth here, you really have to say, why are the planet I really live on? I really the planet I live on. And North Carolina dog was abandoned and sent to an animal shelter because its owner thought the dog was gay. Yo, brother, I'm done. Yeah, I'm done with the planet here. First of all, I wonder if the owner here have any Jamaican links. You know? Secondly, this not really have nothing to do with the butt. Yeah, think about it now. You see, when they did send with the dog them, I wonder if the reason for the dogs them seeking asylum was possibly because they were gay. Now back to this story. Apart from the regular shenanigans where dog known for going, you know, smell all a dog bottom, lick their own balls, all of them like a thing. Apart from them regular shenanigans they were them up to, what could this dog have done when make the owner say, that is the last straw. You get. Is it that the dog start prance around a certain way? Maybe he start skip through the place. You know when you tell him fetch, the dog bust a little muggle. You get. What was it? Maybe the barking changed.
Arrf.
You get. What was the last straw for this owner? I really want to know. And also, can dogs be gay? Cause I mean sometimes you see them in dry home, but they never really see them in intercourse with the next dog, like man dog or you know. Alright, this I open up a whole can of worms, but I not even want to go in right now.